Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Hey, if you're new to my channel and just now checking me out, why don't you check out a few more videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos that I have coming out. How many of y'all, as a kid, played with magnifying glass? As a matter of fact, I still do it. So how many of y'all still play with magnifying glasses? Using sun to burn things. You know the whole saying, burn the whiskers off ants, burn legs off ants. I ain't never done that, but I've set quite a few fires with some magnifying glasses. Well, today we're going to be doing something sort of like that, but I got something to show you. This is an item that I got. I got this off of eBay. I think I paid like $3 or $4 for it. I'll leave a link where I got it down in the description below if you want to go check it out. But this is a Fresnel lens. Now, I wanted to get a real big Fresnel lens, but they didn't have any of the big ones. They did have a good, I think that was 3 foot by 3 foot Fresnel lens, but they cost a little much, and so I didn't get one of them. I got a little flexi Fresnel lens. Let me show you that right quick. This is what I got. It comes in a little plastic sleeve, and as you can see, it's a magnifying glass. Isn't that just cool? So, got this off internet. On this Fresnel lens, you got one side that's smooth. You got the other side it's rough, and just like it says, it's sort of like a magnifying glass. Now, what this is used for is people who are hard to see, like have seeing problems or that's going blind. They put this Fresnel lens kind of on a book, and it will magnify the letters in a book or a magazine, and they can read it better. Well, I didn't get it for that because I can see just fine. I may have to wear glasses, but hey, it is what it is. What we're going to do today is we're going to see how good this thing does burning something. It's just like a magnifying glass, so it's got to work. And I've seen a lot of videos of the really big Fresnel lenses, and man, those things are awesome. So, I'm going to point you down on my table. I'm going to show you what I got and what we're going to be doing. I got a few things I'm going to test out. I got my infrared thermometer here so we can see what kind of temperatures we're dealing with. I want to see how hot this thing gets. Now, I know that a regular old magnifying glass or one you get from Walmart, it don't get really that hot. It will set a fire, but it takes a while to set fires. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to step over here and grab some sticks to try to catch on fire later, and then we'll, see what else we can do with it. So let me get it set up and point you down at the table, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to put on my sunshades because this is pretty bright messing with this. What this Fresnel lens does is it takes the sun and it focuses it down to a certain point, and that's what we want. We want that pinpoint accuracy with this magnifying glass. Got my pan that I use to melt my HDPE down. What I want to do first is I'm going to get the temperature of the bottom of this pan, and we are working with 92 degrees. This pan is right now. Alright, I've got this piece of wood so I don't burn my table. I use this table for all kinds of things. And on the Fresnel lens, you got, like I said, you got a smooth side and you got a rough side. I want the rough side up, facing the sun. And now what I'm going to do right quick is I'm going to focus this down on this pan, and I'll keep it here for about, say about 30 seconds. Just heat this pan up to see how hot this gets. So give me about 30 seconds and then we'll come back to it. Now I'll tell you what, I don't want to pause the tape so nobody thinks I'm getting a torch or anything like that to heat this up. So like I said, I'm focusing this light down till it gets to a point, just like you were playing with as a kid or as an adult, whichever one, and you got your magnifying glass. If you come up, you got a whole lot of light. If you go down too much, the light gets too much. You want to get it just right and get that light beam to a certain focal point, and that's what I'm doing here. So that's going to be about all I'm going to do. and I'll get my thermal reader. And see what we're messing with. Alright, so we're at 220 degrees right now. Alright, 223 degrees. So, what I want to do is we're going to see how fast this thing will set a fire. Got me some sticks. I'm going to break it up and put it in my pan. That way I don't burn my table or nothing else I don't need to be burning. Now, I got this item to put in my bug out bag. I have a little spot in my bug out bag, or my camping bag, go bag, whichever one you want to call it, that is, I can just slide this down in and it sets perfect. It won't get bent up or nothing like that. It's where I keep my tarp. So I'm just going to focus right on the center of this wood. Hope y'all can see that I'm not blocking you. And I bring that to a focus point. Alright, problem I'm having is keeping this board, or this piece of plastic straight. It's wanting to bend on me. And we have fire. Can y'all see that? Here, I'll show you. There we have fire. Ta-da! That was pretty quick. Not as quick as some of the Fresnel lenses that I see. How hot is that fire right there? That's not right. It says it's 152 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. 600 degrees. That's what it's supposed to do. Maybe I was pointing at something else. Anyway, we're going to let that burn out. Alright, so there you have it. I think that's pretty neat. What do y'all think? Be careful with this thing. If you do get one, don't point it at yourself, because this thing will severely burn you pretty bad. I haven't burned myself with it, but I have, like, sitting here looking at it and not paying attention where the sun was, and I got it like perfect on my shirt, and it straight burned a hole in my shirt and almost set me on fire. So please be careful where you point these things. And I do have a problem with it being so flimsy, because you want to keep it pretty straight when you're trying to get that sun focus down, or it's going to make the light, the refractions of the light, go everywhere, and you have a hard time focusing your light. But I want to try to get this to where I can put a frame around it, so that way it'll set straight. So I may work on that and see what I can do with it, and keep y'all updated. And also, I do want to try to take this to a larger scale. So I do have my eye open for one of those Fresnel lenses to make this bigger scale, and I'll keep y'all posted on that as well. But as far as having this for my little survival pack, I think this is going to be awesome. To me, it works better than a magnifying glass, which I had a magnifying glass in my pack before, but this thing works a whole lot better than that. So it was only $4. Like I said, I think $3 or $4. The link will be down in the description below. I think it was awesome. Excuse me. I think it was awesome. So yeah, great addition to that. I will be using this more than once. Well, guys and gals, let me set this down. All right. Well, guys and gals, that's all I got for you. I wanted to show you that. I thought that was pretty neat, and wanted to share it with y'all. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think this thing was pretty neat, think my demonstration was pretty neat, give that thing a thumbs up. I love those things. It makes me all happy and giggly inside. Alright guys and gals, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And hope I see y'all in the next video. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later. I wonder if I can write my name in this piece of wood right here. Haha, spicy.